In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a screenshot with OBS Studio quickly and easily. Whether you're creating tutorials, capturing gameplay, or saving a frame from your stream layout, OBS has a built-in screenshot feature that many people overlook. The best part is that it captures your entire canvas exactly the way your viewers see it, including overlays, cameras, and effects. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a Screenshot Hotkey, capture an image instantly, and find your saved file on your computer. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical OBS tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first step is to set up your Screenshot Hotkey. Open OBS Studio on your computer. Once OBS is open, look at the bottom right corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, click on the Hotkeys tab from the menu on the left. This is where you can assign custom keyboard shortcuts for different OBS actions. Now, in the Hotkeys section, you'll see a long list of available actions. To quickly find the right option, scroll down until you see Screenshot Output. In some versions, you might see multiple screenshot options, but the one you want is Screenshot Output, which captures exactly what's on your OBS canvas. Click inside the empty field next to Screenshot Output and press the key you want to use as your shortcut. For example, you can press F12, which is a common choice for screenshots. You can also choose any key combination that doesn't interfere with your other shortcuts. Once you've selected your preferred key, click Apply, and then click OK to save your changes. That's it. Your Screenshot Hotkey is now set up. Next, let's capture an image. This part is extremely simple. Make sure your scene is set up exactly how you want it. Whatever is visible inside the OBS preview window is exactly what will be captured. This includes your gameplay, webcam, overlays, text, alerts, and any other sources you've added. When you're ready, simply press the hotkey you assigned earlier. For example, if you chose F12, just press F12 while OBS is open. OBS will instantly capture the entire canvas and save it as an image file. There's no complicated export process and no extra confirmation window. It happens immediately in the background. This is especially useful if you need thumbnails, social media previews, or quick still frames from your content without recording a full video and editing it later. It saves time and keeps everything inside OBS. Now let's find your screenshot file. In OBS, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Show Recordings. Even though it says Recordings, OBS saves your screenshots in the same folder as your video recordings by default. Once the folder opens on your computer, look for the most recent file. Your screenshots are usually saved as PNG files, which means they're high-quality images that are perfect for editing or uploading. If you want to change where screenshots are saved in the future, you can go back into Settings and adjust your recording path, since screenshots follow that same directory. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to set a Screenshot Hotkey in OBS Studio, capture your entire canvas instantly, and locate your saved PNG file in just a few clicks. It's a simple feature, but it can make your workflow much faster and more professional. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more OBS Studio tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.